What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a GIF image to your Steam account. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam, or you can type in storepower.steam.com, and after typing, you will be redirected to the official website of Steam, wherein on the right side at the top, you will see the option of login. Click on that, and if you are new to Steam, just simply sign up with your email and password to create your new Steam account. But if you already have an account on Steam, simply click on login, and then you will be automatically logged into your Steam account. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the left side, you will see the option to install Steam. Click on that and install the Steam application. Now, after installing the Steam application, this is what the dashboard of the Steam application will look like. Now here on the right side at the top, click on your profile and then click on View My Profile. Now this will open your profile page. From here, click on Edit Profile, and after clicking on Edit Profile, here you will find the option of artwork, but if you can't find it, you can just come back to your normal profile section, and from there you just need to click on the artwork section. When you come to this profile section, scroll down a bit and then click on artwork. Now after clicking on artwork, click on upload artwork. From here, if your GIF image or video is related to any game, so you just simply need to type in that game or search that game. But if it's not game specific, click on not game specific. And after that, in the new page, you just need to give your artwork's title. And after that, here you need to click on choose file and then choose your artwork.gif image from here, and then you need to paste it here. And after that, you need to add a description. And after adding the descriptions, you need to set the visibility to friends only, private or unlisted, whatever you'd like. You can just simply choose. And after that, simply check this checkbox that I certified that I created this artwork. And when you are done, simply click on save and continue. And now this GIF image will appear in your artwork section. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.